Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer while others struggle? It's often about how money is spent. This list is packed with insights that can help you shift your mindset and spending habits. Let's dive into the top 10 things poor people often waste their money on, while the wealthy steer clear. Number 1. Expensive luxury brands. Splurging on high-end luxury brands is a common financial misstep among individuals striving to improve their economic status. The allure of designer clothing, accessories, and shoes can be strong, driven by societal pressures and the desire for status symbols. However, this habit can quickly deplete limited financial resources without offering any real return on investment. Wealthier individuals tend to prioritize the functionality and quality of an item over its brand name, recognizing that true value lies not in the label it bears, but in its longevity and utility. Instead of pouring money into fleeting fashion trends, they opt for classic pieces that stand the test of time. By focusing on the cost per wear of items rather than their initial price tags, those with greater financial acumen are able to make more prudent purchases. Number 2. Daily coffee shop visits. Frequent visits to coffee shops can quickly become a financial drain for many people, particularly those already struggling with their budget. The habit of grabbing a latte or espresso on the go every morning might seem harmless, but when added up, the monthly expense can be substantial. Those who are financially savvy, often seen among the wealthier segments of society, tend to approach this differently. They see the value in brewing their own coffee at home, recognizing the significant savings that can be achieved over time. Investing in a quality coffee maker becomes a cost-effective decision, allowing them to enjoy premium coffee at a fraction of the cost of cafe purchases. Number 3. High-interest debt. Navigating the pitfalls of high-interest debt is a significant differentiator between the financial habits of the affluent and those struggling financially. Credit cards, payday loans, and other forms of debt with steep interest rates can quickly become a burdensome financial black hole for many. Such debts not only accrue interest rapidly, but also become formidable barriers to saving and investing. Wealthier individuals typically steer clear of these financial traps by leveraging low-interest opportunities and prioritizing debt repayment strategies that minimize interest accumulation. They understand the compound nature of interest and how it can erode wealth over time, opting instead to use debt strategically, rather than as a crutch for immediate needs or wants. Additionally, the financially astute are likely to maintain an emergency fund to avoid the need for high-interest borrowing in the first place. Number 4. Extended warranties and unnecessary insurance. Opting for extended warranties and additional insurance policies can often seem like a prudent choice at first glance, particularly for those who are concerned about protecting their investments. Yet this is one area where the financial divide becomes apparent, as wealthier individuals tend to scrutinize the real need and value of these options more critically. Extended warranties, for instance, often overlap with existing manufacturer guarantees, rendering the extra expense redundant. Similarly, niche insurance policies might cover scenarios that are so unlikely, the cost of the premium far outweighs the potential benefit. The financially successful evaluate the cost versus the risk meticulously. They consider factors such as the reliability of the product, the scope of the manufacturer's warranty, and their ability to cover a loss out of pocket should it occur. This calculation often leads to the conclusion that the price of peace of mind is inflated by extended warranties and additional insurance policies. Instead of defaulting to additional coverage, individuals looking to emulate the spending habits of the wealthy should take a step back to assess the necessity and value of these expenditures. Number 5. Lottery tickets. Investing in lottery tickets is a habit that disproportionately affects those with less wealth, driven by the elusive hope of a significant financial windfall. This penchant for gambling on such low odds can lead to a cycle of wasted financial resources, with little to no return. In contrast, those who have amassed wealth often shun this approach, recognizing it as an inefficient use of funds. Instead of allocating money towards something as uncertain as the lottery, financially savvy individuals prefer to channel their resources into more secure investments with a clear track of returns. They appreciate the power of compounding interest and the benefits of a diversified investment portfolio over the speculative, once-in-a-blue-moon chance of hitting a jackpot. The inclination to avoid the lottery and similar gambles underscores a broader understanding of risk management and long-term financial planning, traits commonly found among those who have successfully navigated the path to financial security. Number 6. The latest gadgets and electronics. The temptation to own the most recent technology can be particularly strong, leading to unnecessary financial strain for those who can least afford it. Instead of succumbing to the allure of the newest releases, wealthy individuals often opt for durability and functionality in their electronic purchases. They recognize that the true value of a device lies in its ability to meet their needs efficiently over time, not in its novelty. This mindset encourages the practice of holding onto electronics for longer periods, resisting the marketing pressures to upgrade with every new model that hits the market. By prioritizing the longevity and utility of their gadgets, financially savvy individuals ensure that their investments in technology serve them well, minimizing the need for frequent replacements. This approach not only conserves financial resources but also contributes to a more sustainable consumption pattern, reflecting a thoughtful consideration of both personal finance and environmental impact. Number 7. Eating out frequently. Dining outside the home on a regular basis is a practice that can quickly erode one's budget, especially for those already facing financial constraints. This habit, driven by convenience and the social allure of restaurants, can significantly inflate monthly expenditures compared to the cost of meals prepared at home. Wealthier individuals, in contrast, tend to value the financial and health benefits of cooking at home. They see meal preparation not as a chore, but as an opportunity to control both their diet and their spending. Additionally, the act of cooking can be a source of enjoyment and a way to spend quality time with family or friends, further enhancing its appeal over dining out. Moreover, the affluent often approach eating out with strategy and moderation, viewing it as a special occasion rather than a daily necessity. This selective approach allows them to enjoy the experience more deeply while maintaining their budgetary discipline. By adopting a similar mindset, individuals can discover the joys of cooking and the substantial savings it brings. Embracing meal planning, grocery shopping, and home cooking are key steps toward financial wellness that align with the habits of those who have mastered the art of wealth accumulation. Number 8. Impulse purchases and retail therapy. The cycle of making impulse purchases and seeking comfort in retail therapy is a trap that disproportionately affects those with limited financial resources. The immediate gratification derived from these spur-of-the-moment buys often masks the long-term financial harm they inflict. Unlike wealthier individuals who exercise restraint and prioritize their spending according to a budget, those with less wealth may find themselves succumbing to the lure of instant satisfaction. This behavior not only diverts funds from essential expenses or savings, but also perpetuates a cycle of spending that is hard to break. Wealthy individuals tend to engage in mindful spending, carefully evaluating the necessity and impact of each purchase. They are aware that the temporary euphoria from retail therapy does not contribute to lasting happiness or financial stability. Instead, they focus on acquiring assets and experiences that offer enduring value and satisfaction. Cultivating awareness around the triggers that lead to impulse buying and developing strategies to cope with emotional spending are essential steps towards adopting a more disciplined approach to personal finances. Number 9. Expensive cars and leases. The allure of luxurious vehicles and the status they confer can tempt individuals into making financial commitments that strain their budgets. Unlike those with tighter financial constraints, affluent individuals often adopt a more pragmatic approach to vehicle ownership. They typically prioritize financial health over the perceived prestige of driving a high-end car, recognizing that the value of such assets depreciates rapidly. Instead of opting for expensive leases or financing deals that come with hefty monthly payments, wealthy people are more inclined to choose vehicles that offer reliability and cost-effectiveness over the long term. They understand that a car's primary value lies in its ability to provide transportation, not in flaunting wealth. This discerning approach to car buying helps them avoid the trap of overextending their financial resources on a depreciating asset. By focusing on vehicles that serve their needs without undermining their financial goals, they manage to maintain their wealth while still enjoying the benefits of car ownership. Number 10. Get-rich-quick schemes. The allure of rapid financial gain often leads less affluent individuals to invest in get-rich-quick schemes. These propositions, characterized by their too-good-to-be-true promises, exploit the desire for swift wealth accumulation, without the hard work or risk typically involved in legitimate investments. Wealthy individuals, on the other hand, approach wealth building with a long-term perspective. They prioritize sustainable growth through investments that have been thoroughly vetted and proven over time. Understanding that real wealth is accumulated through patient and strategic planning, they steer clear of these risky ventures. This cautious approach to investing, favoring solid and reliable methods over speculative shortcuts, plays a crucial role in their ability to build and maintain their wealth. It reflects a deep understanding of financial principles and a commitment to achieving lasting financial security. These simple changes could transform your financial future. Are you ready to transform your financial habits? Start today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Good luck to you and have a beautiful day.